stick fight. You can A and B only.
Sabonga. Ngihamba mlande.
Vamos, ¿qué es? I will try this on time. I know me now.
What's a bullet?
Give a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So you guys, this video has caused such a stir and an uproar on TikTok after the behind the scenes of the hit reality TV show Uthando Nesthembu was shown. People were disappointed to see how the show is filmed and produced, myself included, I must say, as they were saying that it looks very much scripted, especially after they saw a director telling them to reshoot scenes that he is not satisfied with, guys. And I must say, guys, it makes a person wonder if they are script given to them and they have to rehearse them for us viewers to get hooked on the show. Like, guys, do they actually get told to cut when there's a confrontation between the wives and they have to shoot again if the director is not happy with a particular scene? I am wondering, does this mean those crying scenes were also directed? Were they fake? Yo guys, I am so disappointed to see that. I wish I hadn't seen it. Anyways, you guys, please do let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Do you think Uthando Nesthembu is scripted or not? Also subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I shall definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.